Jumping into the Jeep. All right, what is up, guys? Once again, we're doing another road trip inside the lifted Jeep. This one's gonna be another smaller one, just going up to San Diego. Not that long. I have to go up there for a work trip, but I want to bring you guys along with me. We just did, the last video I did was when we drove up there, supposed to do some stuff camping. It didn't really work out, but I want to actually get some more time doing a road trip inside the Jeep. So I'm really curious to see. This time I'm going to keep track of my mileage and my fuel economy. I'm going to reset the trip meter right now. I really want to see. Last time I reset it, it was saying I was getting like 16 miles per gallon, which isn't bad. This being lifted, so that's not too bad. So I just reset it right now. I'm about to fill up and then get on the road. It's gonna be, hopefully there's not much traffic. I gotta get there like soon, but hopefully there's not too much traffic. We'll see how this goes, but yeah, come along with me for the ride. We're filming on the GoPro today, just simpler, but let's go. Okay, so I didn't get gas on the way. I'm like on the highway. There's some traffic, but it still won't take us very long to get there. And I did not get a chance to stop to get gas. So I have to stop somewhere and get gas. Like the gas station I kept trying to go to, like all of them where they were just filled. There were just so many people. So I'm gonna have to get gas on the way, which I don't want to do. I wanted to just fill up and just go. I'm gonna have to stop somewhere. My range still says I got like 80 miles of range, so I'm gonna get gas or somewhere. But it is really annoying. But it is what it is. I'm gonna just get gas and keep going. Good, I found the random gas station. So much better, feels so much better. I'm gonna go fill up real quick and then we'll jump back on the road. Still got quite a bit of a drive, so at least I'm happy I found the gas station. There's like a cool Civic over there. It's like right over there. Pretty cool. So yeah, so I found for the Jeep, the sweet spot is 65 as far as like how steady and stable and how like the Jeep just wants to just drive on the highway. Yeah, I could do, I mean, very easily, like when I drove this last, do 75, 80 for sure, like there's plenty of power to do it. It's just, it doesn't really like it. This type of turn, the Jeep does not want to do this at like 70, 80, which is fine. It's just, it doesn't quite make it as good on road. So I'm just seeing that with this like lift kit and everything on. Which is, you know, honestly, like really though, this is like even that Raptor, this is like taller than that. Even taller than, there's like a lifted truck right there too that drove past. I'm taller than him. Than that truck, taller than that stock Raptor. There's another Jeep in front of me that's like lifted. We're like the same height. So, I mean, it makes sense. This is a pretty like intense lift kit that's on here. So like for sure, it's definitely like lifted. But yeah, that's one thing I am definitely figuring out. It's definitely not as good on road, and like it would be more of a hassle to take this across the country. So, you know, I am seeing that, but it's really not too bad. Like 65, like doing this is fine. I can do this all day. I can vlog and literally, you know, do this all day long. But when you get above this, that's where it's like, all right, you gotta really like pay attention and like both hands on the steering wheel and really like be like, all of your attention is into driving. So one thing I am figuring out with this Jeep, you know, but it is what it is. So I just filled up. What's my average fuel economy right now? We are averaging 18.8. I'm surprised, but we'll see how it is as we keep going. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, cool. So, I'm in San Diego right now, work trip. I am working in our hotel room before we go down to the conference. I figured I'll show you guys just a little bit. Not gonna lie, it's a pretty nice little setup right now. Balcony, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous over there as well. Oh, there's like some kids playing in the pool and a whole bunch of stuff going on. I don't know if you can see, like way over there, there's like a park. People are running. I'm trying to get some work done, drinking some coffee. Oh. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit. I don't know, I might show you a little bit of the some stuff from the conference when I get down there, but we'll see. So right now though, the Jeep has just been parked in the garage, well, into the parking lot, and it hasn't moved since. I'll update you guys when we're driving back. I'm gonna be driving back tomorrow night, so I will update you guys. I'm gonna fill the Jeep back up and then see how it does on the drive back home. But I want to show you guys just a little bit of while we're here. I'll show you some more. Who knows?
Y'all say I'm ready? I'm ready! Alright, cool. So first things first, I've been doing Instagram for the last 5 years. What I'm about to break down, you're gonna be able to use this.
Tastes okay. There's a lot of sugar. I mean, I don't know, mixed with vodka. Yeah, it tastes okay.
Then you mix it.
It tastes okay, but again, like another thing I'll probably be harping on a lot, and I love the quality. It's wild, and it's one of the most well-oiled machines that I've ever been a part of. But I just love it. Yeah. So you hit $1 million. I think that's in a phase to create like nothing.
Alright, we're leaving out finally. About to get back on the road. Such a beautiful little place, San Diego. Absolutely gorgeous. This is so cool. This was the convention center. I'm like behind it now. And this is the area we were just in. So anyways, we're back on the road. About to drive back home. Hopefully the drive isn't too bad. It doesn't look like it's going to be it doesn't look like it's going to be, but you never fully know until you get on the road and then you see if the traffic's kind of crazy. So I'm hoping that it's not. I'm trying to get out of here, man. I'm trying to get home. We got cars coming through. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. The Hilton. Wow. This is like absolutely gorgeous over here though. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is absolutely gorgeous over here. We were just over here walking, got some food, but all right, let me get out of this area.